Hi, my name is Ratnakar Rai and I am a trained horticulturalist specializing in controlled environment agriculture and greenhouse production. Today we're going to talk about a plant and water relationship in a very brief way, specifically towards your home plants, and how would you understand watering in your houses. Firstly, we take the cue from the plant itself. We look at a plant and we should be generally able to tell how much they need watering. Let us take a plant like Sansevieria or any such species that has thick leaves, or so you could go ahead, feel the leaf, and if it is thick and you feel that there is slight sponginess in the leaf, then you do not need to water them regularly. I mean, even once in 15 days in the winter and once a month in the summer actually should be okay. Then we have another category of plants, mainly the Ficuses. You would have, if you own a ficus like this, it's a very neat looking plant. It's in a bonsai format. This also needs more water than the Sansevieria, but look at the leaf, and you do not want this to grow. The beauty in the bonsai is trying to keep it as stable in growth as possible. You do not want it to go. You do not want this plant to grow in your house. So very little watering for the bonsai, maybe once in 15 days. And a plant like money plant like this one, you can, especially in the summertime, you do need to water at least once a week. In the winter time, maybe once in 15 days, once in 20 days is also fine. And a palm, it's a very hardy crop, so this also will tolerate less watering. So your approach to watering these containers in your house should be never go try to over irrigate. People kill their plants more by watering than anything else. So you have to be mindful of that. But still, how do you test when they we need watering? So one of the tools you can use is a spoon. So what you do is take this handle part of the spoon and put it in the media, press it right down, it goes in the bottom, and pull it out. Run your finger like this and check if there is any moisture on your finger. If there is no moisture, put water. You can do these plants, you can check all your plants with just a spoon, a couple of spoons, and you can find out the moisture level. The other way to do it is, when you get your plant, you go and put sufficient water and pick it up and check its weight. Just keep a mental tab of the weight, and time to time just keep weighing it, and you'll see a difference, the plant going lighter and lighter. Then when it's reasonably light, go ahead, add water. So the two ways to do it: just keep weighing the plant, but keep them always on the medium and drier side. Don't put more than medium water in each plant, and that should keep your plants alive and healthy. Thank you for watching this little talk on how to water your plants, and happy growing. Thank you.